Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is linear equations in two variables. As we have discussed the questions of this exercise yesterday only in the previous video, so today we will discuss the last question, that is question number 8. In question number 8, the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius is given, that we are supposed to discuss in the science as well, how to convert the temperature given in Celsius to the Fahrenheit, and how to convert the temperature in Fahrenheit to the Celsius, and the relation is given there, that is F is equals to 9/5 C plus 32, that is the relation. So the first part is there, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for the y-axis. So we can write like that, y is equals to 9/5 C, means C is x plus 32. From here we are supposed to form the linear equation in two variable, and we are supposed to plot the graph for that. For that, first of all we are supposed to multiply all the terms by 5 to eliminate. 5 means this by 5, this by 5, this as well by 5, all the terms. So this will become 5y is equals to 9x plus 160. From here we can write we can have y is equals to 9x plus 160 whole upon 5. After that you can prepare the table for the different values of x and y. How many values you are supposed to take? 3 values you should take. So from here you can calculate you can find out the different values, so that you can plot the graph. So afterwards we are supposed to proceed the remaining part, that is second, third, fourth and fifth. So I hope that you will try this at home. If you are unable to perform, if you are unable to plot the graph, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try here. So now we will discuss the remaining parts of this question. You can find out the answers of the remaining parts of the questions from the graph also, but here we will calculate them using the formula. Second, if the temperature is 30 degree, what will be the temperature in Fahrenheit? If C is equals to 30 degree, so we have to find the F. F will be 9/5 into 30 plus 32. So Celsius is given 30 degree, so 5 6 ja 30. F will be 9 6 ja 54 plus 32, and F will be 86. So that will be the answer. (86 degree Fahrenheit will be the answer. So that we are supposed to write degree Fahrenheit. So degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. This was the first part. In second part, is if that is the second part. We are supposed to now discuss third part. If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, find the temperature in Celsius. So now F is equals to 95 degrees, so we will substitute 95 is equals to 9/5 C plus 32. Now we will transfer 32 from right hand side to left hand side. So 95 minus 32 is equals to 9/5 C. 95 minus 32, 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 3, 6 is equals to 9 upon 5. C. So 9 upon 5 will come this side, 5 will go upside and 9 will go downside. So from here 9 7 ja and C will be 7 5 ja 35 degree Celsius. So the answer of the third part will be 35 degree Celsius. Now part 4th, if the temperature in degrees, what is the degrees is 0 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit, and if temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what will be the temperature in Celsius. One time we will put F0, one time we will put C0. When we are supposed to put F0, then we are supposed to calculate C, and when we are substituting C0, at the same time we are supposed to calculate F. So this you are supposed to do by yourself. Fourth part, if is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both the Fahrenheit and Celsius. Numerically means the magnitude should be same, the value should be same. So we have to check what type of temperature will be there which is same in Fahrenheit as well as in Celsius. So again we are supposed to write the relation, that is F is equals to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Here if F is equals to C, means in place of C we are writing F plus 32. So we are supposed to collect F on the one side, F minus 9 upon 5 F is equals to 32. So 5 will be the LCM, 5F minus 9F is equals to 32. From here 5F minus 9F minus 4F is equals to 32 into 5 minus 4F is equals to 160 minus F is equals to 40, and F will be equals to minus 40 degree. At minus 40 degree the numeric value will be same for Fahrenheit as well as for Celsius. So in this way the exercise 4.3 is complete. Now the last exercise, that is exercise 4.4, we will do question number first. What is question number first? Question number 1. The equation is given, y is equals to 3. So we are supposed to give the geometrical representation of y is equals to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. So first in one variable and the second one will be in two variables. Geometrical representation means in one variable it will be on the number line, because there is only one variable, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this side it is negative. We are having the positive value of y, that is 3. So 1, 2, 3, that is y is equals to 3. This is y is equals to 3. That is the geometrical representation in one variable. Now in two variables, for two variables we have to plot the graph in which this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here that is y is equals to 3. So we are having the value of y only, means on the y-axis 1, 2, 3. For each value of x there will be the same value of y, means 3. So at 3 there will be a parallel line to the x-axis, this represent y is equals to 3. So you are supposed to perform the same thing in question number 2 of this exercise. In that the equation is given 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. That is equation is, that is the first question. That will be the second question. 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. From here we can take 2x is equals to minus 9 and x will be equals to minus 9 upon 2 and x will be equals to minus 4 and half. So 4 and half means minus 4 and half. If we are having the same on one line, if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, in between 4 and 5, that is negative, that is 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 4 upon minus 4 and 1 by 2. So in the two variables 1, 2, 3, 4, in between here, that will be, so that will be parallel to the y axis and this will be 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Like this we are supposed to represent these equations geometrically. So in this way our chapter is over. I hope that you have understood this chapter, that is linear equations in two variables, and you will complete the questions in this chapter. And after completing the question, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.